episode of Oregon Life.
Thanks for
Right?
watching this episode
of Oregon Life.
Hello, I'm Frank Caruso, producer of Oregon Life, and welcome to a brand new episode. Now, this is part one of part two, a two-part episode of Oregon Life featuring the art fair that we had just a little bit ago. And in this episode, there's a lot of stuff. I want to mention a few items that kind of stand out in my mind right now. Of course, I wrote some of them down. A wildlife photographer who takes his photography and then paints his work. Some amazing hardwood designs. We also have this phenomenal mixed media from an artist. You're going to see some artists you may have seen before, but you'll see some new artists as well. The Madison Art Cart stopped by to invite the kids over to paint and do all sorts of things in art, and to showcase the wonderful art that they do all over Dane County. And then our very own you'll see the Lions Club providing food and the things they do in and around our community. We're so thankful for them. In this episode, part one of the art fair on Oregon Life.
Hi, this is Michelle Marx.
Randy Glysch.
And welcome to the first annual Oregon Art Fair. We're so excited to be sharing this art fair with the Oregon and surrounding communities. We have over 25 local artists, anywhere from jewelry to stained glass to pottery to enamel to acrylics. And we hope this is the first of many art fairs for Oregon.
So in addition to the art fair, we also are launching our new sculptures that we installed about 2 weeks ago. Most of them are from local artists, but some are from around the country. And so we want people to come and take the sculpture tour down here, and they'll be scattered also around the village. So in addition to the art fair, the sculpture tour. So we're excited to bring all this art to the village.
And then one final touch up on that, we also now have some utility boxes that were just recently wrapped with some, again, local artists' artwork. So we're very excited for Oregon, and we hope you will come down and visit and see all the beautiful artwork, because art is so important.
Okay, my name is Frank Middlestead. I'm from Beaver Dam, Wisconsin, and I've been painting professionally for, nearly 40 years. I paint mainly in acrylics. Once in a while I paint in oil or pastels. But mainly you can see that my focus is wildlife. I work from almost entirely my own photography, which is my favorite hobby. And I work specifically, I do a lot of painting, as you'll see here, on cabinet doors. It's my own little niche. My wife was a kitchen designer for many, many years, and she had an outlet for all these little cabinet doors. And I do all these canvas G-clay prints myself on my own printer. So I do all the printing, photography, mounting and framing myself. So even my reproductions are handmade by the artist. I have a website, frankmiddlestadnatureart.com, and also on Facebook. Just Google me. I'm everywhere.
Hi, I'm Matt Andrzejezski, and I own and operate Nakoma Hardwoods, based in Madison, in the Nakoma neighborhood. I do woodworking. I start with logs, I mill them myself, and then create things, furniture and cutting boards and charcuterie boards and unique functional items. What you see are some end grain cutting boards and fish scaling boards and charcuterie boards and bread boards and all variety of names. I try not to throw any part of the log away, so that's why you see highly figured and interesting pieces.
And where can people contact you?
So you can contact me at my website, which is just nakomahardwoods.com. There's an email link there, and you can get me there. I'm also at various shows around town. I'm usually at the Paoli Farmers Market on Sunday mornings. I'll be at Spring Green Art Fair this year, Art Fair off the square. So a lot of different places. Thanks.
Thanks for being with us.
Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Rachelle Stracke. I am the owner and artist at Rachelle Stracke Designs. My medium is a variety. So I do mixed medium 2D as well as some simple acrylic paintings. I like to create in various colors and designs. And you can find me on Facebook at Rachelle Stracke Designs or on the web. Just do a Google search or a search for my name and you'll find me. I have a Wix site that I have a lot of products at. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kelly Scholz, and I'm one of the owners, along with Joe Tempty, of the Wishing Tree Studio here in Oregon. Joe and I are here at the art fair today to take a look at this beautiful art that's around and meet the local artists and artists from other east side of Madison and other places. And just so excited that we have this opportunity to get to know our fellow Oregonians and to introduce Wishing Tree back to the community again. We are here rooted in community. That's our little tagline, and just wanted to get to know everybody and hand out some shirts and hand out some classes. Come on in and say hello. So we're at 121 North Main Street. And you can find us online at wishingtreestudio.com. And we have in-person classes and Zoom classes, so a little something for everybody. So stop in and say hi. Bye, guys.
Hi, I'm Bob. I'm with the Madison Museum of Contemporary Art. I'm here with the Art Cart today. Art Cart is a partnership between the AMOCA and MSCR. We're doing traveling art projects for kids throughout Dane County. Today, we are working on a giant mural inspired by the city of Madison, which is inspired by the work of Floyd Newsom, whose work is on display at the museum right now. Floyd is an abstract artist from the Houston area, and he designed some sculptures for downtown Houston to sort of explore what Houston, the vibes of Houston and what the city felt like, not just a regular map of what the city was. And so we are making maps inspired by that. We are also making some treasure chests and designing our own dollar bills. The dollar bills are inspired by an exhibition by Mel Chin on display at the museum last summer, where people are designing their own dollar bills to showcase the need for increased funding for new pipes to decrease lead poisoning.
We're here at the Lions Club, as they're always around town helping the crowd, feed the crowd, and then donate money. I got Arlan here. Arlan, what does the Lions Club do for the community?
Well, we serve the food pantry. We do the Operation Joy at the schools. We, what else? We do road cleanup, several different other items. We got a whole list of stuff that we do on the sign.
I'll take a look at that. Arlan, thanks you and your crew for being here today. And boy, do these brats look good.
They are good.
I know. Thanks, everybody.
Okay. Thank you. You can see on that sign, it'll tell you all the different.
Watching this episode of Oregon Life.
Thanks for
Right?
watching this
Episode of Oregon Life.